Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on managerial computing, and today we shall be focusing on Microsoft Office packages. We'll explore how these software tools are essential for managers to handle tasks such as document preparation, data analysis, presentations, and communication, all of which are vital for effective operations. Let's start with the basics. Let's understand what a files is. A file is simply a collection of data stored with a unique name called a file name. So files have extensions called file extension. Files can contain text, images, audio, video, or even software code. For example, a report, docs, could be a Word document for project updates, a sales data, XLSX. File might store monthly sales figures. A presentation, PPTX, could hold slides for a business pitch. Understanding files is important because nearly all business activities involve creating and managing them. Now, where do we keep these files organized? In folders. So, what is a folder? A folder is like a digital filing cabinet. It helps you manage and group your files by project, client, or department. So, we can have a folder, and inside that folder, we can have another folder. We call that a subfolder. So, subfolder is a folder inside a folder. Example, we have a folder called Company Projects, and inside that folder, we have a subfolder called 2025 Marketing Plan, which contain the following files: Budget, XLSX Proposal, DocX Presentation, PPTX. This structure makes it easier for managers to retrieve information quickly and stay organized. To work with files and folders, we use application software. So we see that application software is a set of tools that help managers work efficiently. One of the most widely used is Microsoft Office, which includes programs tailored to meet different business needs like documentation, data processing, communication, and presentations. These tools are indispensable in modern management. So look at what is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. It's a suite of software tools developed by Microsoft that are widely used in the business world. These tools help users perform tasks efficiently, from writing reports to analyzing data or delivering presentations. For managers, these tools are vital for planning, communicating, and decision making. Looking at the Microsoft Office packages, let's break down the core programs included in Microsoft Office. Microsoft Word for word processing, letters, memos, reports. Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets and data analysis, budgets, dashboards. Microsoft PowerPoint for creating presentations, project pitches, training slides. Microsoft Outlook for emails and scheduling, calendar invites, communication. Each tool plays a specific role in business management, and together they streamline office tasks. Let's look at Microsoft Word allows managers to create and format text based documents. We use them in writing official letters, preparing meeting agendas, drafting internal reports. Word files usually have a docs extension as the file extension. It's ideal for communication and documentation in business settings or any other organization. Looking on how to use Microsoft Word document. To start using Word, click on the Start menu, type Word, and open the application. You'll see a dashboard with recent documents and templates to choose from. Templates make it easier for managers to create consistent documents like reports or meeting notes quickly. Then let's have a quick overview of the Word document layout. Here's what you see when Word opens. Workspace, the area where you type and format your document. Menu bar, where you access tools, file, insert, home, layout, etc. Title bar shows the name of the document. View options, lets you switch between document views, status bar, displays word count, and page number. Getting comfortable with this layout boosts productivity and document quality. So let's look into the steps saving a Microsoft Word document. To save your document, click File Save As, choose a location. You can choose either to save your work onto this PC for local saving, OneDrive for cloud storage, USB drive for external storage, then enter a file name like meeting minutes and choose a format, usually docs. Click Save. Proper file saving ensures your work is safe, retrievable, and shareable. Next, we have Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet tool used for budgeting, data analysis, dashboards, forecasting with Excel. You can enter data in rows and columns, use formulas for calculations, create charts for visual reporting. Excel files have the XLSX extension. Example: a manager can use Excel to track monthly sales, calculate profit margins, or forecast next quarter's revenue. How to use Microsoft Excel document. To use Excel, click on the Start menu, type Excel, and open it. Choose a template or blank workbook to begin. Just like in Word, Excel also shows recent documents. This helps managers pick up work where they left off quickly and efficiently. Excel document layout. Now that we know what Excel is used for, let's understand its layout. Menu bar. This includes tabs like Home, Insert, Formulas, and Data. Each has tools for formatting and analysis. Title bar displays the name of the file. View options allows you to switch how your spreadsheet appears. Status bar shows useful info like averages or totals of selected cells. Rows are horizontal lines of data. They go left to right. Each row is identified by a number 1, 2, 3, and they continues. Cell. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Columns are vertical sections of data. They go top to bottom. Each column is labeled with a letter A, B, C, Z, AA, AB, and they continues. Workspace. This is where data is entered and visualized. Formula bar, where you can write formulas that can be used to calculate a specific task. Example: you might input monthly expenses in column A and use the formula bar to calculate the total. Now let's move to Microsoft PowerPoint, a tool used to create presentations. PowerPoint allows you to combine text, images, charts, animations, and even videos. It is very useful for planning sessions, team briefings, training programs. Like this one's, business pitches files are saved with a PPTX extension. Example: a project manager may use PowerPoint to present quarterly results to the executive team. The looking on to how we can use Microsoft PowerPoint document. To open PowerPoint, go to the Start menu and type PowerPoint. Click the PowerPoint icon. The application will open with recent documents and a range of templates. Templates help in quickly building visually appealing slides, saving time and ensuring consistency. Let's explore the layout of a PowerPoint presentation window. This is how it looks like, and it has the following: workspace, where you type and insert media; slide, the individual page of the presentation you're working on; menu bar, access formatting, animation, transitions, and more; title bar displays the name of the file; status bar shows the number of slides and design suggestions; view options includes normal view, slide sorter, and slideshow mode. Example: while preparing a business proposal, you can add a graph from Excel into a slide and animate bullet points for better engagement. To recap today's lecture, Microsoft Word helps with document creation, Excel supports data analysis and financial planning, PowerPoint enables visual communication through presentations. Understanding layout and navigation in each application helps managers work efficiently. These tools are integrated, meaning you can copy a chart from Excel into Word or PowerPoint seamlessly. Mastering these tools is not just a technical skill, it's a business advantage. So, with this, we have come to the end of our presentation. Our next presentation will be on practical aspect of each package of the Microsoft Office. See you in our next class.